Hey guys, I'm sorry about the big background music. And yesterday was my birthday, and as you can tell, I got a new computer, and it is amazing. I have nothing on it yet, but that is fine. And guys, I literally cried when I got this. I mean, oh my gosh. And yesterday I went to Magic Mountain for my birthday. Sorry. Okay, so, well, I'm going to show you the updates on Animal Jam. I'm going to make a remake. This is my remake because I already actually did one. So yeah. So, sorry about this. No. I don't need this open. This. Oops. Okay. And guys, it's so nice so you guys can hear my voice again. See my face. And yeah, I can finally make good videos again because it won't lag. Yeah. So this is my Lynx, as I showed you. And here's the Animal Jam journal. So, Animal Jam's birthday is a few days before mine. Yeah. So the wait is over, jammers. Lynxes can't have come to Jama. Visit the diamond shop to pick up one of these incredible wildcats today. Algin's birthday is right here. Come party on a giant birthday cake and celebrate Animal Jam's 5th birthday. Use the code HABDAY5 when you log in to get a special interactive birthday present. And I have the cake, so I'll show you how to use that cake. It's pretty cool. Like, I don't know. Sorry about the background sounds again. People are still here because I had a birthday breakfast. We had stuff like really yummy. And my cousin Jacob is right there. If you want to come. Okay. So, yeah, there's glitchy gear. I don't actually want to read this, I'm sorry. But there's like a boat thing, like always, bring gang items and stuff like that. So, everyone voted for glitchy gear, but I didn't. I forgot what I was going to wear. Blah, 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 blah. Okay. Actually, I'm just going to wear my hat. I got this from Magic Mountain. It's really cool. I don't know if you can. Woo. Hold on, guys. Thank you. Guys, I'm really sorry for all the distractions. It's just my birthday was yesterday and we had a breakfast. People are still here. So, yeah, just ignore it. Please ignore it. So, first I got this. It's really cool. I mean, wait. What the heck am I already had this. I'm sorry I got distracted. I've had this one for a few months, so never mind about that. I did get this. I love Skittles a lot, guys. And my cousin's just looking at me. Yeah, I got Skittles and I got this. Guys, I love Toys. Cool. Well, yeah, I got Toys R Us gift card. And I got 25 right here. I got this. These are Littlest Pet Shops. I have a LPS channel. So here's the whole thing. It's a big limo. So it came with this. And the thing that just dropped. Glasses. Hearts. And then the limo. It's really cool. Yeah. So, Play Wild came out. Let's watch the video. I like the music. Okay, so, well, I'm going to pause and like see if I can find that on here, even though I probably won't. So I'll be right back. Okay, so, oh god. Yeah. Okay, that's weird. I'm sorry about my hat. It's just like I like hats, especially backwards. So, yeah. I didn't find anything to Play Wild because who would? So yeah, Lynx is there's thousands of new names for your pet, and it's really true. It's cool. And kangaroos are traveling. And Summer Carnival is having a sale because it's leaving. And I think it's gone. It might not be. I never. What the? Guys, I didn't even. They added something to the update. Allowing. Okay. Oh, guys, I want to show you something really cool. So, watch. You go here. And watch, you press this. It will pause anything and watch. You can draw anything you want. And guys, the camera is going backwards. This is my right hand. Maybe you won't see this when you're watching the video, but for me, I'm not facing this way. I mean, that way? Whatever. Whatever. Well, I'm facing this way, but that's not on the right? Okay, sorry. You can do this, and you can do this. And then when you press exit, everything restarts. See? Well, that's all for the updates. Well, you know. And yeah, the Lynx are really cute. I love the Lynx. They're just adorable. So yeah, I'm going to buy a new Lynx. Real quick. And then I'll dress it up. So yeah. Oh, by the way, thank you so much, Nilla. She gave me this spike. Right there. It's really, I mean, I just have to thank her. She gave me this. I mean, she didn't give me, she actually started with, okay, she gave me this, she gave me this, she gave me this, she gave me that. She gave me this, she gave me this to this. Yeah, she gave me 2 mechs, and I don't know why, but thank you anyway. So, I need to delete an animal because I have room, but you know, this is my Foxy. I kind of sucked. I failed. Aha. Guys, I know exactly what I need to add to my Foxy. I mean, seriously, I completely forgot. Whoa. I like this person's look. It looks really cool. So, you want to know how to make him a pirate fox? You do this. There, though. That's what you call fox. Pirate fox. Anything that's pirate. Maybe. No, that doesn't work out. Okay. Let's see. You know, I don't really care about my polar bear. So, I'm just gonna be right back, okay? Bye! Okay, so, I'm back. And let's make the name. I kind of know what I want. I want Rosie. Something close. I mean, not closey. Rosie. Guys, what should I do? Well, actually, Rosie Arctic. Eyes? No, that's too weird. Stop. Okay. Cloud. Rosie Arctic Cloud. Sounds. I don't know what to say. It's really cute. Well, let's see here. Guys, I'm going to pause while I make my look. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back and I resized it, and here's my Lynx. And I think these eyes are really adorable, and you know, but I might change the color. And maybe, I don't know. I don't really know. I don't think I want to put the, you know, I think this is good. Okay. So this is my Lynx. She's really adorable. And I really like the name Rosie Arctic Cloud. So yeah, oh, you can't see my face, can you? Okay. Yeah, and guys, as I said, I went to Magic Mountain yesterday for my birthday. And my favorite ride would have to be like X2 or something. Superman wasn't the best thing for me. I liked Gold Rusher, stuff like that. I did go on Twisted Colossus, but it does give you like the stomach butterflies, you know? So, yeah, my brother just came in, and I don't know why I had to say that. And be right back, my back. I mean, my hat's over here. Oh, sorry. Okay, sorry. That's better. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Oh, and I forgot to show you the actions. So here's dance. This is sleep. And oh my gosh, look at that. It's adorable. And guys, I forgot to say that this is a Windows 10. It's so awesome. It's so fast and stuff. Well, the video is actually about to end itself, so gotta do this fast. There's hop. There's play. So, bye guys. I hope you like, comment, subscribe. Peace.